Okay na, Kaway. Lahat. Okay. Pressure na lang natin, ha? Pressure. 1, 2, 3, wave! Yes! Okay, let's go!
Sa isang video.
dagat. Ayun, yung mga batuta. Ano ginagawa mo dyan? Ba't mag-isa ka dyan?
Clifford.
Yung Clifford?
Hindi yung puno, yung libars.
Hindi ko alam eh. Halika, sama ka sa akin.
Ako, matutugin pa ako eh.
Anong kulay ba yung slipper mo?
Blue.
Ha?
Blue.
Blue? O sige, dyan ka lang, ako kunin ni tita yung slipper. Asa ba yung slipper ni Kai? Yun. Kulay blue. Okay na. Happy ka na. Ito na yung slipper mo. Happy ka na? Dali. Okay. Ang alon ng dagat. Enrique! hindi siya mabato dito.
Hello guys!
Hello guys.
Hello guys! Hello! No, what happened?
No. We'll try.
I found a donut shape. It's a seal. So many wings. You're not big.
Where are we? Oh, look at the big wings!
Oh
Big
my
wings,
God.
big wings! Whoa! Whoa! Let's go this way, Enrique. Come on. There's another one. Whoa! Whoa!
I can like some coins.
Woo!
Treasure.
Treasure. Whoa!
Any rocks?
There's no jellyfish here.
No. I found something.
No, that's a shark. It's a shark, Mira.
Look, I have a water gun though.
Oh no.
Whee!
Hein, what are you doing?
Rock here.
I know, there are rocks everywhere. 4:30 is okay? Huh? 4:30? Or 4 o'clock?
What time is it?
3:50.
It's
Yeah,
not
it's a grass. Yeah, it's just a grass and we can try. Look, it's a grass. Yeah, look, they're girls. They're not scared. Hey.
That's not a fish or the poisonous fish.
Yes.
And it's a fish. That's not. It's a grass.
Whoa.
Or that's a seaweed. Yeah, there's a seaweed over there.
Laro tayo sa alon. Woo. Alon. Oh.
Look.
Sakit na naman ang katawan natin mamaya nito. But dito wala masyado.
Okay, we can throw it away. Throw it away.
Wala, ano na dun eh.
Good.
Di pa naman.
You're brave. Yes.
Oo, warm ang water. Puro halamang dagat.
Wala ba dito ano?
Puro halamang dagat. Nakakailastukan na siya.
Pag na-alo.
Naduduwal na siya saan.
Ikaw?
Enrique. Enrique! Enrique! Hi! Ay mo na kiss mami. Hug mami, kinabahan. Brody! Hindi.
Can you reach the, no? The water? Like the...
Why you have that?
Yes.
Enrique! Napilis na oras. 4 na. Oo nga eh. Mga 4:30 ano na tayo? Get up na. Bawal silang gabihin sa daan. Tayo eh. At saka ano may sigsag. Nakakatakot.
Big boy. Oh, grab it. You're a big boy. Yeah. Good job. See? Oh, see, you're brave. Good job.
You're Francisco Balagtas. Huh? What kind of Greek are you? Zeus Mariota?
See? Oh.
Ayaw pa din. Susuka pero hindi susuko. No, hindi susuko. Wow, pala to eh. What can you say about this place? Do you like it or it's just okay?
I like it.
You like it? Yeah, even though it's it's wavy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and rocky.
Yeah,
Doesn't matter. No, okay.
No, right now it ain't the Lakers here. But right now,
Nandito pa rin po.
Damian Lillard wants to play for the Lakers. Damian Lillard.
Ano yan po?
Wala kayo ng konti. Hindi ako makapuelo eh.
You guys eat na, Handika. You guys eat na. What did you got? Oh. Mira, what did you got?
Wala binigay sa akin.
What did you got? Burger steak.
Here's our fries. Here's our fries.
Kakay, you want spaghetti?
You want? Let me give you one, okay?
Ano gusto mo?
Order ako sa kanya burger.
Burger? Burger ikaw? Halika dito. Halika dito, bili. Upo ikaw. Upo ikaw, sama ka sa kanila, ha? Yan. Yeah. You are my youngest son. Ha? Hindi ito. Hindi daw ito yan. Andun daw sa'yo kay nanay.
Let, pati kay Mira.
Eat kayo dyan.
Anak, ito
Eat.
sa'yo. Ayan na. Kay ate na.
The next day.
Kambal, can you show the bare hands style, Filipino style?
Go.
Yeah, how to eat rice, put ulam.
Yeah.
Wow! Good job. Crunchy one, see? This one crunchy. Let's get the crunchy part. Yeah.
Yeah, show it to
The fish.
Eh, put fish. Oh, may tinik. Hina.
Ha? Malaki? Wow! Good job, bebe. Galing na, marunong na. Oh, si Mira din, marunong din yan. Oh. Show me Mira nga. Wow! Galing!
Mira is a Filipino na.
Yay!
Are you also Filipino? Not a Filipino?
Are you too Filipino?
I am a Filipino. I'm proudly Filipino. Dad is a Filipino. What's that, Enrique?
Daddy's Filipino. And then Ate Melissa's also Filipino.
Ate Marisa. Yeah, everybody except for Daddy. You are half Filipino, half Mexican. Look at that. Wow, ganda. Dito kami ngayon sa Dibut, Aurora. I think ang pangalan nito is Maxwell Rental Cottages. Tingnan niyo yung guys yung view. Look! Nice. Ang linaw din ang tubig nila. Ay, daming isda, daming isda. Ang linaw ng tubig, oh. Hindi siya white sand. Gray sand. Pero ang linaw ng tubig. As in. Ang linaw. Are you guys ready to go home? Not yet. Not yet. Oh no, we only have 30 minutes left. I'm so sorry.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at
Yeah.
baby.
What did you do to my husband? What happened?
I'm Miss Universe.
What happened to my husband? What did you do? You guys having fun? Yeah.
Thank you. I look so beautiful.
What is that, Mira?
Oh, I look like a princess.
What is that?
The shell.
A shell.
We're gonna forget many more.
Yes.
Miss Kuchote.
You miss Kuya Chete? Oh.
Oh.
Oh no! What did you do? What did you do to Ninong Luis?
Wait.
Oh my goodness! Again?
Oh, more makeup.
Shark?
Come on. Come on.
Are you being a shark?
Have you been a shark?
Yeah.
Hey, Kakoy!
You want to be a shark? Okay. You're the baby shark?
Ah, you know why they like you? Because Ninong Pro is not here, so you are the reliever.
Oh.
Yeah, so say hi to Froilan.
Hi, sweetie.
Yeah.
I miss you, sweetie. Miss you so much.
Oo nga pala.
I feel empty without you, sweetie.
Yeah, so you are the reliever. Oh no!
Makeup.
Swimming na, swimming! We're going home na.
Yeah.
Mira, swimming na. 1 hour na lang. Ahon na.
Hindi na tubig, no?
Nalinawa ka na ah. Pundo ka sa apuan. Sabi mo, mas mali.
Talaga?
Kitang-kita yung puting-puti. Puting-puti talaga yung
Basta,
paa mo.
basta magpa-plane kami.
Tapos kita mo yung sand sa ilalim na ang puti-puti.
Oh no! What happened? Where are you guys going?
Hello.
Nge.
Oh, siguro naman may balbas na.
Hi!
What happened to you? You're an old man in the mountain. You're a mountain. Ano yun? Ang tawag sa tao sa bundok?
Come on!
It's okay lang, bebe. Okay na, yaan mo na, bebe.
Are we going home?
We're not going home! Just kidding.
You have to go home.
No, we're gonna stay here one more night.
Oh.
You guys go! We'll stay here. You miss Kuya Chet. Okay. Okay.
You have to come.
We're gonna get home late. We're gonna get home late.
I know. So we're going home now.
No,
What do you mean?
let's just stay.
We're gonna stay. What about the driver? What about the kids? They have school tomorrow. I know. Right?
So what's our schedule for the rest of the week?
We're gonna take the Tagaytay Road. Yeah. It's easy.
Hindi kayo magtatagay tayo. Ano na, express din kayo, te.
Express din ba?
Have you been there, Joby?
No?
Have you been there?
Sayang. Sana pala dito na lang tayo kahapon.
Kaya nga.
Ito, hindi nyo pa ito napuntahan.
Hindi pa.
Last na.
Eto, nakita ko to na nag-post siya dito.
Uh-huh.
White sand, tapos na ano nga, piling one.
Pino yung buhangin eh. Ganda eh.
Saan po kayo punta po?
Diyan sa ano, di na...
Medyawan?
Oo.
Lalim pa ng ganun eh.
Oo, tas 2 hours kami nag-travel.
Sa
2 hours. 2 hours mahigit yata yun.
Ito ilan lang, 30 minutes lang yata.
Kaya nga eh. Medyo ano lang yung road niya,
Hindi
diba?
ako doon naligo eh.
Ayaw.
Na lang ako eh.
Tas ang hangin pa kahapon, maalon pa.
Oo, ang sasarap po dito. Marami pa po maganda dito. Doon, sa likod niyan.
Ah, dito?
Coastal area, yan. Diretso na po yung pag ginawa ng daan yan.
Ito, totoo, okay.
Oo, yan po, sa likod ng bundok niyan. Sunod yan, di ba, ano, Dibayabay,
Ang ganda ng...
Yotorin, saka
Ang
Dikapinisan,
ganda ng
Dimanay at
aurora,
Dingalan.
no? Kasi ano siya,
Palibot
yung...
po.
Oo, palibot niya eh,
Punta
ano,
kami dun eh.
Dingalan po.
kagubatan.
Nag-trekking
Ganda.
kami doon. Tapos pag akit
Hindi na
namin,
po.
pag namin sa bundok, kita namin para Little Batanes. Ganda.
Saan, saan?
Yan sa Dingalan.
Ah, sa
Hindi po,
Dingalan.
umakit din po kayo sa yung Mama Mary ba yun?
Hindi.
Doon lang kami umakyat sa bundok
Kuya,
na yun.
ano yung ano? Ano yung mga nandun? Ba't ang daming bangka?
Hindi, ay malakas po sa laot.
Ah, okay. Akala ko nag-snorkeling sila.
Hindi po, at dito lang po sila pag malakas po sa laot, kumbaga sa laot, dito sila po
Ah,
natago.
okay. Ang galing, no? So, dun parang pahingahan ng mga
Oo,
bangka.
taguan po pag malakas
Cove,
may bagyo.
oo, cove na kasi to eh, no?
Opo.
Hmm.
Minya, ilang days tayo? 4 days? Parang
Ah.
4 days. Kulang pa lang 4 days sa Aurora. Sa Dapat mga 7 days talaga.
Hindi po nyo napuntahan yung kasiguran.
Yung waterfalls na puntahan namin, ang ganda din, kaya lang ang umuulan. Tapos
Umulan
may
po.
bumagsak na bato na. So, natakot na kami, kaya bumalik na rin kami agad.
Doon po lang po sa Kuan, lampas po ng Dinadyawan sa kasiguran. Maganda po
Yun
doon.
nga kasiguran maganda. Yun yung nakita ko na white sand yun eh.
Kasapsapan po. Yung
Oo.
Pero malayo po.
Oo.
Ah, malayo.
Mga 3 oras po.
Oo nga daw.
Ang laki ng ano, no?
3 oras.
Malaki pala ang Aurora, no?
Opo.
Yung probinsya niya.
Pinapalibutan po yun. Lahat yan.
Ng Sierra Madre.
Sierra
na,
Madre.
ano. Galing, ganda. Ito yung ano, pinaka nagustuhan ko kasi sobrang palibot niya. Ano, mga kabundukan. Tapos dagat. Nice! Yeah. Aww. Me too.
Say Batangas.
You want to stay here? Huh? We'll stay here? Check in the hotel? There is a lot of in here. Remember the nearby, ano?
No, let's just go together.
Okay. Goodbye, Aurora. See you next year. Okay, let's do this. Let's take like that, like that, like that, like that. Why like that? Slow motion.